Having an online store brings in lot of responsibilities. One major is handling customers' inquiries 24/7. Now, if you're doing it manually, it is a very costly and a time-consuming task. So, to solve that, you can set up an AI assistant, and today in this video, I will tell you how you can create one for your own business, that too without need of any coding and programming skills, using this amazing software that is Pabbly Chatflow. So, we are going to learn how you can create this assistant that is going to handle all your inquiries 24/7, reply to your customers without you lifting up your finger. So what are you waiting for? Let's move on to my screen to learn how you can create one for yourself. So now let us create this amazing AI assistant for our online stores. Whether you're an owner of a clothing brand, skincare or beauty brand, or any other online store owner, you can create this amazing bot for your business. Okay, in this video I am an owner of a clothing brand. Okay, and for that brand I will be creating this amazing AI assistant. First of all, before we create and step into the creation of this assistant, I am going to show you how this amazing WhatsApp chatbot is going to work in real time. So towards this bot, I will send a WhatsApp message. I will write a message over here as I need help. Okay, I will ask for the help from this bot. As soon as I've done that, next I will receive a message. Absolutely, how can I assist you today? My first question over here is going to be, I want to know about your written policy. Okay, so I will enter this question. As soon as I forward this question towards this AI assistant, I have received the reply. Certainly, here's a summary of written policy. Returns, eligibility, item must be unused and have original tags attached. Period, you can see written within 15 days. Over here, this is the process and the refund is done over here. If you have any other questions, you can ask. Okay, my next question is, I want to know, do I have an exchange items option as well? I will send this question right over here. As soon as I forwarded this question, this AI assistant has replied, yes, you have the option of exchange items, eligibility. Exchanges are allowed within 15 days of delivery. Process, over here you can see this is the process. Okay, now my next question over here is, what are the sizes available for kids? Okay, I will send this question. As soon as I've asked over here, you can see I've received all these sizes right here. Okay, so now as you can see, this AI assistant is replying to all my messages. This is how this amazing AI assistant is going to work in real time. And now let us create this amazing one for our business over here in this video. On a new tab, browse the website of Pabbly Chatflow, that is www.pabbly.com/chatflow. After I browse the website, Pabbly Chatflow's landing page is going to appear. Before we create this amazing AI assistant, I want to let you know about Pabbly Community. Pabbly Community is a space where you can find real-time updates on Pabbly. In this space, you can get help not just from our team members but also the fellow users. Over here in this space, you can ask your questions, share your ideas and give feedbacks and find amazing automation tips for your business. So go ahead and join our Pabbly Community today. For that, you will find the link of our community in the description section below. Okay, so now let us create this amazing AI assistant from this landing page of Pabbly Chatflow, where you will find two options in front of you, that is sign in or sign up for free. If you're a new user, that means you do not have an account with us, you can sign up for free and get 100 free credits to explore more features of Pabbly Chatflow. But if you're an existing user like I am, directly sign into your Pabbly Chatflow account. Then you will see the All Pabbly Apps section, where you will see all the applications. As I want to use Pabbly Chatflow, I will click on this Access Now button. Then you will land on the Pabbly Chatflow's dashboard. Over here, Pabbly Chatflow is an amazing software using which businesses can easily and efficiently manage their WhatsApp conversations. You can add multiple WhatsApp numbers inside your Pabbly Chatflow account. For that, simply click on this Add WhatsApp Number, where you will find two options to add your number, the WhatsApp Connect and the Manual Token Connect method. If you want to learn how you can add your WhatsApp number by any of the methods given, you can find the tutorial links in the description section. Pabbly Chatflow provides with multiple features like inbox, contact, theme queues, templates, broadcast, flows, AI assistant, activity logs, settings, under which you will find multiple options. If you want to learn about each and every feature of Pabbly Chatflow in brief, you can find all the video links in the description section. Now to create an AI assistant, go towards this AI assistant option right over here. Then you will land on the AI Assistant page of Pabbly Chatflow. Now to create a new one, click on this add button right here. Firstly, it is asking for us to name our assistant. I will give it over here as AI Assistant for online store. Okay, then click on this add button and the AI Assistant is easily created. Okay, now after creating, there are multiple sections to set up our AI Assistant like AI instructions, knowledge source, assistant interface and the styling. Okay, we'll complete all of them one by one. It's super easy. First is AI instruction. My AI instruction type is AI agent right over here as I want to create an AI agent assistant. Okay, if you want you can select other types according to your requirement as well. Next is we have to give instructions to this AI agent. There are pre-written instructions right over here, so I will not modify it, but according to your business you can modify them according to all the requirements that you have in this AI agent. Okay, now after selecting the type and adding the instruction, next is AI configuration and first is temperature. Temperature is a range that lies between 0 and 1. 0 being more focused replies that this AI agent is going to give towards our customers' questions, and 1 is creative reply. I want to reply in between 0 and 1, so I will select it over here as 0.5. I want creative as well as focused replies. You can select the temperature according to your requirement. AI to use, I will use OpenAI right over here, and for the model I will select the GPT-4o mini model. Okay, next it is asking for the API key. This key is going to help us to create a connection between this WhatsApp AI assistant and our OpenAI account. Now from where you can find this key? You can find this key in your OpenAI account. For that, go towards this hyperlink in the help desk and you will land towards the API keys page of your OpenAI account. Now to generate a new key, click on this create button. Firstly, we have to name our key. For the name, let's suppose I will give it as ABCD. You can name it according to your requirement. Select the project, give the permissions as all, then create the key from here. As soon as I've done that, copy this key from here and paste over here in the field and click on this connect button. This is how you connect your OpenAI to this AI assistant. It says OpenAI key saved successfully. Okay, now next it is asking for the AI assistant settings. There are multiple options. Header message. If you want to have a header message, you can toggle this button on and enter your header message over here. Similarly, there is a footer message. Next is stop keywords. I want the stop keywords. So now over here, if the user who is sending us a message want to stop the help from this AI assistant, they can simply type the stop keyword and we have to enter those keywords right here. So let's suppose my stop keyword first of all is going to be thank you. So I will write over here as thank you and press the enter key, or like let's suppose as bye or as over here stop. Okay, you can enter the keywords according to your requirement. I have written mine right here. Next is retry attempts. If you want to give more attempts to this AI assistant to the users, you can set up the retry attempt right over here. Okay, next is fallback message. So let's suppose this AI API key that we have entered has an error or has a problem while it's working. This fallback message is then going to be forwarded if the API key is not working successfully. Okay, our first setup of AI instructions is now been done. Next is knowledge source. Now what is this knowledge source? This is the main concept with the help of which this AI is going to reply. Knowledge source is a data using which this AI is going to know about what is our business, all the policies, all the things, and using that data, this AI is going to reply to our users, customers, or leads. Okay, I have created a knowledge base. Now my business name is Style Haven. Over here I've written the details of my business. Given the business overview, you can see right over here product information. You can see I've given a detailed product information. You can add more details according to your requirement. This is just a dummy knowledge base that I've created. Over here the S series are also given. Orders and checkout, you can see the step-by-step guide, confirmation, delivery. You can see I've given detail of all the policies. Over here you can see I've entered all the details of my business. Now this is just a dummy PDF that I've created of this knowledge source. You have to create your business knowledge source in this similar manner, giving the overview of what your business is about, describing all the policies, items and everything. You have to enter everything of your business over here. You can enter your orders also that you have, that using that this AI assistant is going to reply. So you have to enter all the details that this AI assistant is going to read and reply to your users who are messaging us queries on WhatsApp. Okay, so now what we are going to do is we are going to upload this PDF file right over here. For that, click on this button right here and you can see this is my knowledge base for my business. I will open it. Now how will you know that this uploaded file is added right here? For that, over here scroll down. In knowledge sources, if you have received the vector ID, that means this knowledge source has been uploaded. You can upload the TXT format as well as the PDF format right over here. If your PDF has an image, you can only add 10 pages in that PDF. Okay, so after uploading our knowledge source, move on to the interface of our assistant. Over here the interface is this interface right over here that you can add on your website. Now over here firstly it is asking for the heading name. My business name is what? It's Style Haven. So what I'm going to do is I will add this business name right over here. Okay, you can see as I've added the heading name, this heading name has been changed over here. Next it is asking for the header display. You can see this is the display. Initial message, you can add 2 initial messages. This is the first one. You can add the other one according to your requirement. If you want to show this power by Pabbly, you can enable and disable from here. Over here, if you want your privacy footer text, over here, if you want your footer text as a hyperlink, you can add that link right over here and name the text also. And the initial message that you can receive from your user has been entered as I need help. If you want, you can make the changes according to requirement. In the similar manner, the last section is styling. You can style light mode, dark mode according to your requirement. Change the background, colors, images according to your requirement as per your business theme right over here. Okay, so this is how you create this amazing AI assistant. Now to activate this assistant that we are creating, toggle this button on and save this AI assistant from here. The AI assistant is then going to be successfully saved. Now if you want to use this AI right over here in this manner and add it on your website, go to embedded. You will find the script, copy the script from here and add it on your website code. This AI assistant is there going to be added. Okay, so now this is how you create this AI assistant. See, it was super easy. Now what we are going to do is we are going to test this assistant. For that, simply towards this assistant with my WhatsApp number, I will be sending a WhatsApp message. So let me open my WhatsApp from here. So this is my WhatsApp and this is the bot. Towards this bot, let me send a WhatsApp message. Tell me about your business. As soon as I've asked this question within few seconds, so I've received this reply. I'm here to assist you with inquiries. Style Haven is dedicated to providing stylish, high quality apparel and accessories for men, women and children. They focus on making fashion accessible and trendy. You can see right over here I've received this reply. Okay, over here my next question is going to be, do you have dresses available for women? I will enter this question. As soon as I have done that, I have received this reply. Yes, there are several dresses, party gown, summer maxi dress, sleeveless top. You can see right over here I have received this amazing reply. Now my next question is going to be, can you give me support team details? Okay, I will send this question. And as soon as I've done that, I've received all the details, the email address, phone number, WhatsApp number and the timing as well. Okay, so as you can see, this amazing AI assistant is replying to all my queries. This means this AI assistant has now been successfully created using Pabbly Chatflow. So did you see how simple it was to create an assistant without need of any coding and programming skills for our online store as well? So now what are you waiting for? Go ahead, sign into your Pabbly Chatflow account and create your own amazing AI assistant for your business right away. So this was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Not just this WhatsApp chatbot, you can create multiple other chatbots according to your need with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. If you have any question, you can send us email on support@pabbly.com. If you have any query, you can ask us query on forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, you can check out this link. If you want to try to create this bot for yourself, for your business, you can do it absolutely for free with the help of Pabbly Chatflow.